let's go back to the data binding file where our app class is declared and change the initial main page using the navigation page so that we can navigate between the two pages we'll now have. And we're going to have the initial page be contact entry, which we haven't written yet. So let's do that now. We're going to create a new form, and we're going to call that contact entry. Within the XAML of contact entry, we will begin with a stack layout. And the first thing that we'll put in here is an entry view. We'll give it a name, and then we'll use placeholder text so that we don't need a label. That's for the first name. We need this also for the last name and email. Let's copy and paste this line. Now we can go back on the second one from first name, change it to last name, and on the third, change it from first name to email. And we'll fix up the placeholder as well. We now have 3 entries on this form. First thing in our stack will be a label asking whether this is a favorite. We'll then add a switch, which allows you to toggle between true and false, and that will be named isFavorite. And I need quotes there. I'll fix that up in just a moment. Below that horizontal layout, we're going to create a second layout whose orientation is horizontal. And that will again allow us to place, this time, buttons next to each other. The first button will be named Save and will have the text Save. And it's also going to have a clicked event handler, which will be called onSave. We have 2 more buttons, so once again, let's use the copy and paste technique. We'll change the second button to cancel, and then change the text to cancel. And finally, the third button will be review, and we'll change its text to review and its clicked event handler to on review.